Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I will show you how to convert your static photos into animated videos using Mango AI. It's a powerful AI tool that can generate a complete video using just your photo. So let's start. First of all, a big thank you to Mango AI for sponsoring this video. The first feature is about talking photo. So I will open Mango AI and here you can see you can use this tool on your web browser and it has this very simple interface. I will select this talking photo feature and here you have to choose a photo. You can also upload your own photo as well. So I will select this upload photo option, then I will select this image and then I will open it. On this side you have to write down your script. So for example, I want to generate a video about heart anatomy, so I will paste my script over here. So I will paste my script and then in the next step you have to select a voice. So here you can see we have this option of AI voices. So I will select it. It will open this window and here you can see we have a lot of option of different voices. You can also categorize these voices according to languages, gender, age or tier. I will select this gender option and then I will select male voices and then from here you can select any voice. So for example, I want to select this voice, so I will select it and then I will select this confirm option. In the next step you have to select the facial pose. So I will select this arrow and from here you can select any of these three options. So the first option is small facial pose. So here we have this small facial pose and then we have this medium facial pose and we also have this big facial pose option. I will select this medium facial pose and then here you can see we have this option of generate AI video. So I will select it. So it will start generating a complete video for you. You just have to wait for a few seconds. So the video is generated and now you can also download this video. So here you can see we have this download option. So I will select it and then I can download it to my PC. And now I can make it full screen and now you can see the final result.
The human heart is a muscular organ located slightly to the left of the chest, responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers, the right atrium and ventricle, which receive oxygen-poor blood and send it to the lungs, and the left atrium and ventricle, which receive oxygen-rich blood and pump it to the rest of the body. 4 valves, tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic, ensure one-way blood flow. Major vessels like the vena cava, pulmonary arteries and veins, and the aorta.
So you can use this feature to generate your video lectures where you want to explain a specific topic, or you can also use it for your presentations. The next feature is about singing photos. So you can use this feature to generate content for your social media and here you can see we have different sample photos. You can use any of these photos or you can also upload your own photo as well. You can also use singing animals feature and here you can use different animals to generate your content. So here you can see we have different sample photos, so you can use any of these photos. For example, I will use this image and then here on this side you have to upload your audio. So I will select this audio option and then I will upload my audio and then you have to select the singing style. So here you can see we have different options available. So I will select this joyful singing style and then you have to select the pause scale. So if I select this arrow and here you can see I have 2 options. So the first option is small and the other one is medium. So I will go for small pause scale and the next option is lip scale. So if I select this arrow, here I have 3 different options. So you can go for small, medium or big. So I will select the medium option and then here we have this option of generate singing animal video. So I will select it. Now Mango AI will start generating a video for you. You just have to wait for a few seconds. The video is generated and now if you want you can also share this video to your social media. So here we have this share icon, so you can select it and now you can share this video to your social media, or you can also use this QR code to watch this video on your phone. So now I will make this video full size and you can see the final results.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday. Here's a happy birthday to you. Now you're a year older.
So now you can use this feature to generate content for social media, or you can also share it with your friends. The next feature is about avatar dialogue. So this is the most interesting feature because you can use this feature to discuss about a topic between two persons. So here you can see we have this sample photos. You can use any of these photos, or you can also use your own photo as well. So I will select this upload face photo option, and then I will select this image with two persons, and then I will open it. On right side you can see we have different options available. So the first option is about voice. So you have to select the voice for each avatar. So here we have this left avatar option. So I will select it, and then it will open this window, and from here you can select any voice, and then you can confirm it. Same thing you have to do for the right avatar, and then from here you can select any voice, and then you have to confirm it. In the next step you have to write down the conversation. So for example, I want to generate a video where these two persons are discussing about heart disease. So I will start writing my script. So I will paste my script for the conversation 1, and then here I have to paste the conversation 2. So I will paste my conversation over here. Now you can see the conversation 1 is for the left person and conversation 2 is for the right person. And then here you have to select this option of generate dialogue video. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, and then AI will start generating a complete video for this AI avatar dialogue. The video is generated, and now I will make this video full screen and you can see the final results.
Cholesterol, smoking, they all slowly damage the arteries, and we don't even feel it until it's too late.
You make a great point. Honestly, I think stress is super underrated. Chronic stress raises blood pressure, increases inflammation, and even affects how people eat or sleep, all of which can lead to cardiovascular problems.
So this is really an interesting tool where you can generate discussion videos about different topics. You can also use other interesting features. For example, here we have this video face swap. You can go for multiple face swap video. You also have the option of photo face swap, and then you also have this option of multiple face swap image. Now let's talk about pricing. So you can use this tool for free, and here you can try different features. But if you want higher resolution videos, you can go for starter or pro plan. You can also go for monthly subscription as well. You can check out my link in description for more details. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.